This is Todd from Team Nodeware, and today we're stepping through the new sensor download, installation, and licensing process for virtual machines. After logging into the portal by pointing your browser to app.nodeware.com, the first step is to click on Sensors and then Downloads. Here you'll see the choices for virtualized sensors. Choose your sensor based on your preferred virtual machine environment and download that file format. Today's video steps through installing a Nodeware sensor using Windows HyperV Manager. If you're running Windows 10 or Windows Enterprise, you have HyperV. Start by confirming your operating system. Right-click on the Start menu, select System. As you see here, this computer's operating system is Windows 10 Pro. Next, use the search pane and type Turn Windows Features On. Select that, then find HyperV. Enable by clicking the box next to HyperV. Hit the plus sign to expand. Ensure that all three nested boxes are also checked. Then click OK. Once these settings are applied, you'll need to restart the Windows computer. With the reboot complete, go to the search pane and type HyperV. A fresh HyperV install will reflect no virtual machines. First, take a moment to extract the Nodeware sensor payload you downloaded earlier. Browse to the folder where you stored the Nodeware sensor payload. Find that zip file and extract the files. Then in HyperV, right-click on the computer name here. Choose Import Virtual Machine. Click Next. Then browse to the folder where the extracted sensor files are stored. Double-click that folder and find the three subfolders seen here. Click Select Folder, then click Next. You'll see the virtual machine name Nodeware. Click Next again. If you prefer, choose Copy to create a new unique ID. Default storage paths are typically fine as is, so click Next. Then click Finish. Once those files import, you'll see a new virtual machine. To launch, double-click, then click Start. The Nodeware sensor runs on an Ubuntu OS, so you'll see a series of Linux startup procedures that look like this. Then, when you see this screen, your new Nodeware sensor is live and scanning. In the virtual machine interface, note the IP address located here. Copy that IP address and enter it into your web browser. So long as you are connected to the same network, your sensor will return this code. Note the 4-digit access code. Once logged in on the Nodeware dashboard, go to Customers and click Add New Customer. Customize these fields as needed, then click Submit. Then on the Sensors tab, click Connect Sensor. Select the customer from your list of customers. Enter the activation code. Here it's A158. Then click Connect. The final step is to license the sensor, which links and validates the sensor with your Nodeware dashboard. Your sensor is now up and scanning, which you can visualize from the telltale green status bar atop the card representing the sensor. You can also assign a unique name to the sensor, making it more identifiable in your environment. Click on the Devices tab to see the live inventory data. Initial inventory scanning commences immediately. Depending upon your network architecture and device population, inventory scanning should conclude inside of 5 to 10 minutes. Fingerprint scanning takes a bit longer, depending upon your network, but commences right away. If during the sensor setup process you see this, 4 dashes in lieu of an activation code, please allow approximately 5 minutes for the sensor to connect. After waiting 5 minutes, refresh your web browser. The activation code should then populate. That's a quick tutorial illustrating how easy it is to install, license, and connect your new Nodeware sensors. Please comment below if this was helpful, and visit support.nodeware.com for more helpful resources. For all of us here at Nodeware, I'm Todd. Thanks for watching.